6:43 this morning, and the weather graphics are working again, we hope. Hopefully we won't see any more crazy advancing. The picture is similar in the southeast today. It was stormy there yesterday, and it's going to be stormy again today. But what we're kind of keeping a close eye on is what's going on up here in the northwest. This is the start of what looks like an even stronger system that's going to bring a bunch of snow to the northern plains and then could bring additional severe weather as it moves to the east. Fortunately, no severe weather for us, though. Already today, this is what we've seen over the last 24 hours. Hail, damaging wind, that was reported across the southeast. And notice this area, guess what? They have a chance of getting a repeat today. More damaging wind, hail, a possibility for parts of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. Meanwhile, in Texas, it's going to be a dry day. No front yet. The cold front doesn't start to work into the state until tomorrow and doesn't get here until Thursday. When it gets here, you're barely going to notice that a cold front came in. It's going to be a very weak front, but technically it will cool us down a little bit. Today is starting out cool and starting out with a lot of sun. In fact, we're going to see a lot of sun all day long and low humidity, so this air mass is going to warm up quickly. Though it's going to be a cool start today, it is going to be feeling hot this afternoon. We're looking at highs in the mid to upper 90s. Now, I do have to note it is going to be a dry heat, which we don't get to say very often here in the valley, but we do have low humidity today. So even though it's going to be 95, 96, 97 degrees, it probably isn't going to feel as hot as you might think compared to what we see in the summertime when it's 95, 96, 97, because we usually have high humidity, but today that is not going to be the case. And guess what? It's going to happen again tomorrow. It's going to be another sunny day. I mean, barely a cloud in the sky. Tomorrow, though, it is going to be windy. Have to note that. We're going to be seeing gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, averaging around 35, especially during the afternoon. We'll hit the mid-90s again tomorrow. It might be a couple degrees cooler. Once again, though, low humidity. We'll keep the low humidity here as long as we can. Again, we're going to see a high around 96 today. But again, worth noting that the humidity will be low and winds aren't going to be that strong, just 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're looking at clear skies tonight. Notice that we cool down about 30 degrees, 65. That's actually a pretty close to normal low temperature for this time of year. Still clear skies, still dry conditions. And as we look ahead on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast, we're going to see the winds come back. Windy tomorrow, and it's going to be breezy Wednesday night, still breezy on Thursday. Maybe a few more clouds on Thursday, but we're still calling for mostly sunny skies. That is a weak front getting here on Thursday, so it does cool us down to a whopping 90 degrees, maybe a little bit cooler still for Friday and a little bit more cloud cover, but still dry during the day Saturday. Right now, the only rain chance we have is Saturday night, and it's not a big rain chance at this point. We think just isolated showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. It's back to the mid-90s on Saturday, but that is a stronger front coming in Saturday night, so we could cool back to the upper 70s on Sunday. Then maybe a chilly start Monday morning, but warm in the afternoon on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. More news coming up right after the break.